If you are working with C++ or preparing for C++ interviews, you must know how to think about the questions like this. Look at this example. We have two base classes, B1 and B2. Each class contains one pointer and one virtual function. Then we have class B, which inherits both B1 and B2, and it adds one more pointer and one more virtual function. Now the question is, what will be the size of object of class D? If you are a beginner, you may calculate it like this. A pointer takes 8 bytes on 64-bit system. So B1 contains one pointer, which is 8 byte. B2 contains one more pointer, which is another 8 bytes. These two base classes objects become part of D. So we already have 16 bytes. Class D add one more pointer, which gives another 8 byte. So total becomes 16 plus 8 equals 24 bytes. But this answer is wrong. Why? Because we miss something important. Both B1 and B2 contains virtual functions. Whenever a class has virtual functions, the compiler creates a virtual table, and every object needs a hidden pointer called a VPTR to access that table. So now you may think, fine, let us add one more VPTR of 8 bytes. Our calculation becomes 24 plus 8 equals 32 byte. But surprisingly, this answer is also wrong. Now you know a little more about multiple inheritance, you may think differently. B1 has a virtual function, B2 has a virtual function, and D also has a virtual function. So maybe each class contribute its own VPTR. That means 3 additional pointers. 3 VPTR means 24 extra bytes. Now calculation becomes original data members 24 bytes plus VPTRs 24 bytes. Total 48 bytes. But this answer is wrong again. The correct answer on a typical 64-bit implementation is 40 bytes. Surprised? This is where beauty of C++ begins. C++ object layout is not just about counting variables. Multiple inheritance, virtual functions, compiler decisions, alignment, ABI rules all play important role. And these are exactly kind of concepts that separate average C++ programmer from someone who truly understands the language internals. C++ is the language behind many high-performance technologies, artificial intelligence, graphics-intensive games, financial engines, embedded systems, and many other core platforms. If you want to explore such hidden concepts of C++ and prepare yourself for the real-world development and interviews, join us in our C++ training program. Check out the batch details in the description. Thank you.